My neck is flossy, make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it.
Hi you guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and to all of my dozen roses, what's up? So you guys, I'm going to be making an intro today. I make all of my intros, and today I'm going to be making a little boy's entry. So let's get started. Picking out the picture. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Now I wanted to add the Yo Boy Blue again. I first did it in the white, but I didn't like the white, so I believe I changed it to black so it's more noticeable and you can see it better. On this part or 4 of these pictures, I'm going to put the same animation so they can come in at the same time. Actual intro right here.
Bitch so bad I wanna shoot like hoops. I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad I wanna shoot.
If you haven't already, go ahead and join the Dozen of Rose gang and like my ish, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.